Today, under the topic of network topology, we are going to see different type of topologies. That is point-to-point topology, mesh topology, star topology, bus, ring, tree, and hybrid topologies. First, what is topology? Topology means is nothing but it refers to the arrangement of different elements like nodes, links, device in a computer network. That is the arrangement of a network that compresses the node and connecting lines via the sender and receiver. This is referred to be as a network topology. That is how these devices are connected and interact among each other. By understanding these various types of topology, this will help in designing the effective and the robust network. Some types of topologies are bus, star, ring, mesh, and trees. Point-to-point topologies. From the point-to-point topology, that is, it will used to connect the two nodes or the devices. It can be either a hub or a switch or a router. Got it? It can be directly connected by using either a private or a dedicated cable. That is a LAN cable. Here, by connecting these two devices, one is to be connected as an serves as a transmitter and one acts as an receiver. Because of point-to-point connection, it provides high bandwidth. This is the diagrammatic representation of a point-to-point topology where the two devices are connected. One can be act as a transmitter and the receiver connection through LAN cables. So, this topology is considered to be as a simple and the most cost-effective because here these two computers are connected. The network requires a single communication channel between these two nodes. Apart from this topology can be serves the entire bandwidth of the communication and minimize the chance of congestion, and it is more reliable. Some of the examples of this point topologies are Bluetooth file transfer between the two devices and two devices having the direct connections, and one more best example is a fax machine that transmitting the data to the another fax machine. Next, we are going to see about how this point-to-point will ensure the high security in connection between the two nodes. This point-to-point topology ensures the high security in the communication between the two nodes by providing the dedicated and the private communication link between them. That is, they are providing the dedicated LAN cable between the two devices. This also means that no other device can access the communication link. So, because of this, they can make highly secure. Apart from this, other topologies will need some of the intermediate devices, but in point-to-point, we don't need any intermediate devices. Because of that, they can reduce the chance of unauthorized access on the networks. The best advantages of this point-to-point topology are because of dedicated communication channel between those nodes, they can provide the fastest data transfer rates. And since only two devices are connected, so we can be identifying and troubleshooting issues are very simple. And it's also increase the security as the data is transmitted directly between the two nodes. So it's reducing the chance of data interruptions or theft. Okay. Next, better performance in high traffic network because there is no intermediate nodes to cause a delay or congestion, and it is easy for implementation and cost effective, suitable for small networks. The disadvantage and the drawbacks of this point-to-point network is adding new devices a little bit time consumption and expensive. By transferring the data through the link, if suppose the link fails or any one of the device goes offline, means it will disturb the transmitting of data, and this is unsuitable for the large area networks because of connecting the cables. Please share my channel, subscribe my channel for more updates related to PG TRB exams. Thank you.